Weight loss is a common goal for many individuals looking to improve their health, boost their confidence, and enhance their overall well-being. From Flab to Fab, your comprehensive weight loss plan is a structured and holistic approach to achieving sustainable weight loss. This comprehensive plan takes into account various aspects of a person's life, including nutrition, exercise, mindset, and lifestyle changes, to help individuals transform their bodies and lives. Key components of the weight loss plan: goal setting. The first step in any successful weight loss journey is setting clear and achievable goals. These goals should be specific, measurable, and time-bound. Whether it's shedding a certain number of pounds, fitting into a specific clothing size, or improving overall health markers, defining these goals provides motivation and direction. Nutrition. A fundamental aspect of any weight loss plan is a balanced and sustainable diet. From Flab to Fab emphasizes the importance of portion control, managing portion sizes to avoid overeating. Nutrient-rich foods incorporating a variety of fruits, vegetables, lean proteins, whole grains, and healthy fats into daily meals. Calorie tracking, monitoring calorie intake to create a calorie deficit, the foundation of weight loss. Meal planning, creating a meal plan to ensure consistency and prevent impulsive choices. Hydration, staying adequately hydrated to support metabolism and curb unnecessary snacking. Exercise. Physical activity is an essential component of this plan, tailored to individual fitness levels and preferences. The plan may include cardiovascular exercises, activities like jogging, swimming, or cycling to burn calories and improve heart health. Strength training, building lean muscle mass to boost metabolism and improve overall body composition. Flexibility exercises, incorporating stretching and yoga to enhance mobility and reduce the risk of injury. Consistency, establishing a regular exercise routine to ensure long-term success. Mindset. Addressing the psychological aspects of weight loss is crucial. The plan encourages individuals to cultivate a positive self-image, building self-confidence and self-compassion. Manage stress, incorporating stress reduction techniques like mindfulness and meditation. Seek support, joining a support group or working with a therapist to address emotional eating and other psychological barriers. Lifestyle changes. Sustainable weight loss often requires changes in daily habits and routines. These changes may include getting adequate sleep, prioritizing rest to support overall health and metabolism. Managing time effectively, scheduling workouts and meal preparation into daily routines. Avoiding trigger foods and environments, identifying and minimizing situations that lead to overeating. Planning for setbacks, developing strategies to overcome challenges and stay on track. Monitoring and adjustments, regularly tracking progress through measurements, photos, and journaling is crucial. The plan encourages individuals to adapt their strategies based on results and make necessary adjustments to meet their goals. Conclusion. From Flab to Fab, your comprehensive weight loss plan offers a holistic and sustainable approach to weight loss. By addressing nutrition, exercise, mindset, and lifestyle factors, individuals can embark on a journey towards better health, increased self-confidence, and long-lasting weight loss success. Remember that individual results may vary, and consulting with a healthcare professional before starting any weight loss plan is advisable, especially for individuals with underlying health conditions.